RIOZIOZIOZ is a universal travel charger. As we open up the package and show you what you get inside, how nicely it's packaged, USB-C, USB-A, and cables are options for the unit. It is protected by film. It comes in a number of colors. Check online with the warning label that can be peeled off. It exposes the outlets for 110, 220 universal worldwide. The instruction guide to go over. Each of the black arms gears opens up for each of the areas. 110 USA and so forth. On the side is your PD charger, USB-C, and 110 plug. On the opposite side is your switches, and on the opposite sides are your connections to plug in, 110, 220, and so forth. On the top are USB-A's and USB-C's. You have 5 ports, input and output. In this demonstration, we're doing 110. We're sliding in, locked, plugging in. The 110 on the side allows us to plug in additional 110. For example, we plug in, turn on, and the 110 is charging. We are running a charger through AC. On the opposite side, on the bottom, we're plugging into USB-A, and we're charging a camera through the USB-C slot. USB-C to smartphone, lightning cable, and charging simultaneously. In the front is the 110. It plugs in as a second outlet. When all done, close up, ready for transport. This is your 110 220 universal charger traveling companion. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.